Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Ankr. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we can notice is our monthly swing high here, which is obvious to spot on the monthly chart, and we see drastic moves away from the level. Now, we can also plot in this level right here, which is a monthly swing low, where price came up, reversed, and we see the level acting as support. And we see a drastic move to the upside. Now, we also notice key monthly level right here, where price came up, hit, reversed, and now we notice price over here at the same key level. So, we expect to see a reaction from this level. Now, to see these levels more clearly, we're going to go hop to the weekly chart. Now, what do we notice? Multiple reactions to the same key level. We see support, and we see a resistance rejection over here from the same key level that was once support, flip resistance, which is obvious to see here on the weekly chart with drastic moves away from the level. Now we also notice a key level right here. We see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance, which is obvious to spot here on the weekly. And we notice one more key level right here. And what do we see? We see multiple reactions to the same key level acting as support and resistance, with drastic moves away from the level. Now, looking at more recent price action, we can see a support level right here with multiple reactions. And we also notice over here, price reacted to the same level. So, we also have a key level right here as a weekly swing high with a drastic move away from the level, obvious to spot here on the chart. And we also have a key level right here, where we see multiple reactions to the same key level. Acting as support, price broke through, and now acting as resistance. As price broke up and came back down, acting as resistance. And for our most recent level, we see the support here, which we see the price break through the level, and now we see a reaction from our monthly key level. And if price reverses here, we'll expect to see another reaction from this level. As all these key levels don't exactly mean that we're going to see price stall. Price can break right through, as we see here. But when price reaches these key levels, we expect to see a reaction. And that's why we plot our key levels and plan ahead. So, these are all of the key levels plotted on the chart. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.